I went to market. I wrote a letter. Can you guess which tense it is? Yes, of course, some of you are right. This is simple past tense. Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine. And now in this video, I am going to discuss simple past tense and will make the set of questions and answer. But before that, I am Rajeshwar Rao. Welcome you all once again in my YouTube channel, that is RG Target English, and another one is RG Target CSD classes. From these two channels, I'll be just telling you all about spoken English as well as general English. In this video, I'm going to discuss simple past tense. How can we make the set of questions and answers, and what are the usage, and what are those important things that we need to remember while using this particular tense. So let us begin. First, you see on the screen the structure: subject plus past form of the verb V2, okay, and then object, as you can see there on the screen. Now, following this structure, I take one statement, that is, I wrote a letter. Okay. So here, subject, you can see, that is I, wrote is the second form of the verb, that is past form of the verb, and object is a letter. I wrote a letter. Now, before we proceed with the set of question and answer, we'll see all the other forms of this particular sentence. Like when I say I wrote a letter, what is the negative form? I didn't write a letter. Question form, did I write a letter? Okay. Now, negative question form, didn't I write a letter? WH question, what did I write? Or what did I do? Also, you can say. And the last one, which is not important for the spoken students right now, but it is also very important in general, that is called question tag. So I am adding this also. I wrote a letter, didn't I? We can't literally say that it has no use. It has a lot of usage, but that we will discuss later on. So let us now continue with the set of questions and answers. So the statement, once again, I keep the same one. I wrote a letter. Now this is statement. Did I write a letter? Question. Answer. Yes, you wrote a letter. No. Answer is yes, you did. Do you remember my previous video where we made the set of questions with is, am, are, and do, does? So the pattern of answer will remain the same. So here, my first question is, did I write a letter? Answer is yes, you did. Did I write a poem? No, you didn't. What did I do? You wrote a letter. Who wrote a letter? You did. Okay. So here you have seen the 4 questions and 4 answers. The question answer pattern will be like this all the time. Now further, certain things that you have to remember, like while using simple past tense, it is very important to know the past forms of the verbs, because if you don't know the forms, then there is a chance you will commit mistakes. So first thing is that you have to remember, and the second thing is the kinds of verbs. You see, generally it is divided in different kinds, but here I am going to discuss the important one, that is regular and irregular verb. You know what is regular in and irregular verb? That you can see in any grammar book. If you search, you will find, but here I am just briefing it. Like regular verbs, their V2 and V3 means past and participle will be the same. Okay, but in irregular verb, you will see their V2 and V3 will be different. Example, you see regular verb, put. Okay, call, called, called. Okay, sit, sat. These are the examples of regular verb. But irregular, if you see, write, wrote, written. one of this one I have already used in the example, in the statement you have seen there. And then speak, spoke, spoken. Okay, so like that, these are the example of regular and irregular verbs. Further, where do we use it? Simple past is used when the time is known. Okay, suppose something happened in the past and you remember the time or date or year or month. So normally we use simple past. Or I would say that anything which has gone little past, which is over, to express it, it is better to use simple past. Okay, though sometimes there is a confusion among the students with present perfect and simple past, that I will discuss in some other video. But right now you just remember, if you have to say something and that is related to the past, maybe it is half an hour ago, use simple past. In this way you will be in the safe side. So one more thing, like whenever there is a question with did I, answer will be with you did. If it is with did you, answer will be with I did. When it is with did he, then it will be with he did. Yes or no will be there according to the question, and uh, that's how you can practice it and make more statements. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me, you can comment me. And as I've already told that very soon I am going to come with my live classes, that is through YouTube only, and I hope most of you will join. Fee and all will be very nominal, and I'm sure that, that is beyond your imagination, right? So please keep watching and waiting for the live classes. Okay, thank you very much.